versatile essential oil of tarragon is chemically identical with Ains. While tarragon may be effective for a variety of ailments, the active ingredient found within tarragon oil degrades quickly. Tarragon has only been cultivated for about 600 years. It is thought to have been brought into Italy around the 10th century by the invading Mongols, who used it as a sleep aid, a breath freshener, and seasoning. It is believed that St. Catherine, on a visit to Pope Clement VI, brought tarragon to France in the 14th century. Gerard places it in England in 1548. But then again, Gerard, in his own tarragon history, repeated the legend that if flaxseed is put into a radish root or sea onion and planted into the ground, that tarragon will grow, without providing any supportive information. John Evelyn said of tarragon, "'Tis highly cordial and friendly to the head, the heart, and the liver." Throughout the centuries, tarragon has been used in the treatment of poor digestion, intestinal problems, nausea, flatulence, hiccups, rheumatism, gout, arthritis, and to soothe the pain of toothaches. Hi, my name is Doretha, and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for the June Spice of the Month, which is tarragon. The recipe for today is creamy tarragon chicken. The book that I use for the recipe is Recipe Favorites with Herbs by Dawn Rannick and Phyllis Pellman Good. You can check this book out here at the Live Oak Public Library. The ingredients that you will need for today's dish are 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 to 6 small chicken breast fillets, salt and pepper to taste, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1½ cups of chicken stock, ½ a cup of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of tarragon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water, and a teaspoon of parsley for garnish. So we'll start by heating a skillet, and we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. While that's warming, I am going to salt and pepper my chicken fillets. Just to taste, and we'll get that mixed together. So those are seasoned now. We'll wait till the olive oil heats. We're just going to put the fillets into the skillet and brown them. Let that heat a little bit. We're going to brown the chicken in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. I'm going to turn the chicken. It's brown on that side, you can see. And we'll cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. I've removed the brown chicken from the pan, and I may add just a tad more olive oil. And then we're going to add our chopped onion and minced garlic into the pan to cook for a little bit. You don't want to brown them, but you just want to soften them. Here's our small chopped onion. We cook this for about 5 minutes on medium heat. until softened. Okay, now we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. I've squeezed here. And then 1.5 cups of chicken stock. All right. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. So we're going to pour the 1/2 cup of whipping cream into the broth mixture. And then we're going to add cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water to thicken it. And I'll just pour that in slowly and mix it in with a hot mixture so it thickens. Now we're going to add the chicken back into the pan. The juice that's come out of the chicken. Reduce the heat. Place a lid on and cook until the chicken is tender, which shouldn't take very long, maybe 5 minutes or so. And then we'll add a teaspoon of tarragon. Give that a stir. Once the chicken is finished cooking and you dish it up, you can serve it over rice or pasta, and there you are. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, watch out for more from the Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.